Want to easily transfer contacts from one iPhone to another? Today, I'll help you cope with this task. Watch to the end, I will share a life hack. So, first thing first, on your iPhone, open up the phone app. Click the contacts on the bottom of the page. And now, if you want to transfer just one contact, then you're gonna press and hold it. Then click Share. Here, select Fields or Deselect. Then click Done. Tap on AirDrop and find different iPhone to which you want to transfer this contact. If you want to share your whole contacts list, then go to the Lists folder and here choose what you want to send. All contacts, all iCloud, Gmail, and so on. Let's choose, for example, all iCloud. For that, I'm going to press and hold it and click Export. Now you can additionally transfer home address and birthday and then click Done to save changes. After that, you're going to tap on the AirDrop. Swipe down from the top right, click on the square, click the AirDrop, and choose option Everyone for 10 minutes. Now take your other device, also swipe down, click on the square, and turn AirDrop on for everyone as well. And then you will see this person in this section, so just click on it. And on other iPhone, accept sharing contact card. So just click accept, and then you will see the list, the number of contacts. So you can immediately click save to save them to your contacts list. And here is the bonus. To make the process even faster in the future, make sure all contacts are automatically synced with iCloud. You can do this by checking your iCloud settings under Contacts on both devices. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.